My program is traditionally nursing-based. The program is about getting your nursing assistant certified, certifications, and taking medical terminology so you become familiar with all of the language of the medical world.
I'm gonna go like this.
There's lots of roles. It's a stepping stone for some.
2, 3.
To be able to go to nursing school to get entered into the program, you have to take a nursing assistant class, so it's required to get into nursing school. So you kind of just cross that off.
It's a really good experience whether you're planning to go into nursing or you're just thinking about it, because it really shows like what you're actually going to be doing rather than like things you see either on TV or on social media and stuff.
Would you like some water?
In a world where we're all technology driven, connections are huge, and I think that that's what people find here.
98.4.
We make it a community. We pull from all different schools, so nobody really knows each other when they come in.
Inflammation of blood vessel.
So I think that that's really critical to understand, that we're learning how to interact with people in a more meaningful way.
So what does this mean?
After high school, I want to go to a nursing program, and by me doing this WANIC program, it's showing me all the benefits of the medical field.
If you really want to go into the medical field but you're unsure which section, which part of it, I'd say go for it. You really have nothing to lose. It's a really fun program. It's a really fun class.
I have several in my class that want to be physicians, several that want to be ultrasound techs. I have all different people, all different walks in my class, which is really lovely. But to understand the basis of patient care is the foundation of healthcare. It's a good way to touch your foot in the door ahead of time. And it also just opens the door before you apply to nursing school or medical school.
I want to be a part of the medical field because I can speak English and Spanish, and I can help out a lot of people.
Just knowing that everyone's really motivated here and has this similar goal of like doing something in the medical field and helping people, so it's really cool.
So students do a 40-hour clinical rotation at either an assisted living, a nursing home.
We have fish, fruit,
a hospital to practice the skills that they've learned. So next they're going and they're working with patients, and so they work with other nursing assistants within other facilities, so they partner up with them, and that's their clinical rotation to be eligible to sit for the nursing assistant exam.
It's a really great experience to like learn how you should be professional, and it also gives you like so much experience. Like I can go into any nursing program and know more than like most people just because I've learned lots of skills here.